Middle center vowels, versus Both and share the same coordinating point, the center of the mouth. They differ on stress. Is used for a stressed syllable, and is used for unstressed syllables. Words. Some common words with include the following. With you: bun, bus, butt, butter, cut, fun, gun, luck, lunch, run, summer, sun, Sunday, thunder, truck, tunnel, under, up, us. With O: Monday, money, monk, monkey, month, honey, London, onion, sun, wonder, wonderful, cover, covet, discover, dove, bird, glove, love, oven, shovel. With OU: country, couple, cousin, double, southern, touch, trouble, young. With OO: blood, flood. With OUGH: rough, enough, tough. These are homophones. None, none. One, one. Some, some. Sun, sun. Minimal pairs. Ankle, uncle. Ban, bun. Bank, bunk. Batter, butter. Cab, cub. Cap, cup. Cat, cut. Dam, dumb. Drank, drunk. Hat, hut. Lack, luck. Paddle, puddle. Rag, rug. Ran, run. Sack, suck. Sank, sunk. Snag, snug. Stack, stuck. Track, truck. Tramp, trump. Schwa for de-emphasis. And are middle center vowels, but their use is entirely different. Is used for a stressed sound, but called schwa, is used for an unstressed sound. Schwa is created by the absence of any movement in the mouth. The tongue is relaxed. In other words, schwa is pronounced in the center middle of the mouth, where the pronunciation is the most economical. This explains why schwa is the most common sound in American English. In general, a vowel sound that is unstressed can be called schwa. Naturally, schwa does not have precise articulation. So, schwa can sound different since its actual pronunciation depends on the neighboring sound. For example, in rosas versus roses, the A in roses is an unstressed but the E in roses is an unstressed I. Despite this difference in auditory quality, both are viewed as the sound. How is it possible for a sound that has no clear manner of articulation to be the most common sound in English? To understand the use of schwa, we need to know that English is a stress-timed language, meaning that stressed sounds, or syllables, come in a regular interval. Stressed syllables are pronounced with emphasis. The sounds are loud, high-pitched, and often long. Also, its vowels have clear articulation. To make this emphasis even more salient, unstressed sounds are de-emphasized and reduced. That is, unstressed sounds are spoken quietly, in a low pitch, and fast. More importantly, the vowels of unstressed sounds generally become schwa. For example, consider the word banana, which has a stress in the second syllable. The vowel of the second syllable is clearly articulated with a, but the vowels of the first and the last syllables are reduced to schwa, resulting in the following pronunciation of the word: banana. Since syllables with schwa are pronounced fast and in low pitch, they can be hard to hear for non-native speakers. In fact, natives use the schwa sound to signal to the listener that the words with schwa are not the main point of the speech. There are two cases that require schwa: unstressed syllables in multisyllabic words, and the normal use of function words. That is, they are not used for emphasis or contrast. Multisyllabic words. When a word has more than one syllable, not every syllable is given an equal emphasis when spoken. Only one syllable is stressed, and the rest are generally unstressed. The vowel sounds in unstressed syllables are usually reduced to schwa. Schwa allows unstressed syllables to occur more quickly in order to emphasize the sound of the stressed syllables. Schwa can happen with any vowel letters. The A in about, again, vitamin. The E in synthesis, electric, celebrate. The I in decimal, president, experiment. The O in harmony, occur, condition. The U in medium, umbrella, support. The Y in syringe. The schwa sound can be found in any position in a word. In the beginning of a word, as in about, ago, amazing. In the middle of a word, as in elephant. In the end of a word, as in gallon. Idea. Function words. The purpose of schwa is to reduce sound. This allows unstressed syllables to be said quickly so that the main beats of the speech can be placed on the stressed syllables. In speech, function words are usually reduced. Function words are words that indicate grammatical aspects like tense or mood. Function words include auxiliary verbs, pronouns, articles, conjunctions, and prepositions. In normal speech situations, we should reduce function words to keep the stress pattern regular. These are speech segments that require schwa. A, an, the. A chair, an apple, the table. Am, are, is, was. Am I? How are you? Who is he? I was singing. And, but. Chicken and chips. It's hard, but I like it. Than, or. I like it more than you do. Coffee or tea? That, too. I told you that he was good. I'd like to see you. Can, could. I can do it. I could do it. Will, would, should. Will it rain? Would you mind? It should rain. In, on, of. It's in the closet. It's on the table. Get out of here. For, with. I'm looking for a room. Come with me. Have, has, had. I have a question. He has a problem. She had a pet. As, if. As soon as possible. I'll go if you do. Words. Can occur in a stressed and in an unstressed syllable. For example, in butter and father, it is unstressed, but in stir, occur, and prefer, is stressed. To distinguish these two cases, some scholars use different symbols. For example, for the stressed ER sound, and for the unstressed ER sound. In this book, we use the same symbol since their pronunciation is the same. Another thing to mention regarding is that is essentially the same sound as the vocalic that is, the that carries its own vowel sound. This led some to claim that is the syllabic consonant sound. In this book, we treat as the composite of plus Some common words containing include the following. With certain, concern, determine, her, nerve, perfect, person, service, term, verb, were. With ear, early, earn, earth, heard, learn, pearl, search. With burn, curly, fur, hurt, murder, return, surface, surgeon, Thursday, turn, urban, urgent. With bird, birthday, circle, dirty, firm, girl, shirt, sir, skirt, stir, third, thirsty, 30. With attorney, word, work, worm, world, worse, worst, worth. With courteous, journalist, journey. Kernel. The word kernel also has the R-colored vowel as it is pronounced kernel. These words are homophones. Birth, birth, kernel, kernel, earn, fur, fur, heard, heard, turn, turn. Minimal pairs. These are minimal pairs of and Bud, bird. Bun, burn. Fust, first. Shut, shirt. Cub, curb. Ton, turn. Thud, third. Such, search. Tough, turf. Hull, hurl. Gull, girl. Stun, stern. Tum, term. Tuck, Turk. Hut, hurt. Suffer, surfer. Puck, perk. Blood, blurred. Cull, curl. Bust, burst.